be clear.
H&K Living Life is all about our adventures as we enjoy our time together, getting back to enjoying life in the outdoors. We hope our videos will inspire others to get out there and create new memories.
This is H&K Living Life. If you'd like to see more of our adventures, just click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications of new videos.
Okay, my friends, we are on the road again. This weekend we are headed to Marble Falls to
Hidden Falls Park.
Hidden Falls Park. We just got the truck back with our 6-inch lift and our 35 tires, and I'm excited about that. So we're going to see how she does this weekend.
Up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Got a heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some.
So we didn't realize that on Thursday nights they close the gates at 5, not 9. So we are spending the night right here at the gate.
Well, good morning, my friends. It's Friday morning and they opened the gates and we are on our way into Hidden Falls.
So on our way in on the Hidden Falls Road, this is in front of us. To your right is tent camping, and then right here on the left is RV camping in Area A. We're going to proceed on to Area B, which has got like 3 30-amp RV spots, and the rest of it is primitive camping. And we're going to be in the primitive camping area of Area B. No water, no electricity, just tent camping, or we can park our trailer. And then our friends Chaz and Rita up there in that road light in front of us, they're camping at a campsite across the road from Area B, which is called Starlight or something like that, I think. Okay, friends, we made it. We're here this morning. We got everything all set up at the camp. Got hitting the trails a little later this afternoon, trying to make a little lunch. But here's our setup here today. Miss Teresa waving at you. Say hi, Katrina.
Hi.
Should put gloves on. So I got that down too. I turned it down so I could see better. Behind me, like, that truck can go with me. Oh shit.
waking up
Yes.
this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Got a heavy on my
Man, these new
shoulders,
gears I got are sexy. This sucker doesn't want to slow down. It wants to just go, go, go.
down to every
Oh, she got
minute.
new
Don't know
gears.
what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh
I forget the
my.
leaning.
Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line.
How's our truck doing?
Awesome.
And I know just where I'm at.
Good deal.
No idea when I'll get back. There's so much
Just
you
watch my hole over there.
can't explain.
Remember? If I don't want to get off in it.
Right.
Control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where
My antenna was beaten last time. I don't have an antenna
it'll
on.
do it again. Little too much southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started at a full house, ended up just me and good old James. I could swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moon shined. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again.
Get them Jeeps out of my way. Mike,
They gotta move.
they gotta move.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay.
And I'll do it again.
I can't see them.
Oh, you're fine. There you go.
And good old James, I could swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moon shined. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control.
Driver. Cleared it. And just no
Same thing. You want, no. Bottom.
bottom.
Yeah, these videos just don't do the steepness justice.
It doesn't.
Right now we're doing a 13% incline, which doesn't sound like much, but
Control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again.
coast down, four low, no brakes hardly.
Oh yeah, it don't take much. That four low's your friend. We were up here just not too terribly long ago, coming this very same way, and it seemed like that little section back there has gotten a little more chewed up than it was before.
Some side by sides.
I don't recognize this trail, but maybe I've been on it, but I don't recognize it. It's called Catback. Well, the one we did earlier, the stuff back there was called Catback Trail.
Yeah, Catback is a little bypass around that high mountain peak back there with that 4-foot ledge.
Yeah, I think our back tire's coming up in the air on that one.
I couldn't tell.
Ours. Ooh.
Probably come over to my side.
Oh, wow. Port wave in the back.
He wants to get.
You need to back up and get that tire back up there so you can get a picture of it.
I figured I'd teeter-totter on that one.
Got a little air whenever I hear.
I figured I would.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
It looked good.
But, you know, they don't flex like a Jeep.
Yeah, that was
So.
sweet.
Rub the air down just a
Nice
little
job.
bit.
You're going to slide on your rear there for a second. Driver's rear into the clear. Now you're clear. You got one more large rock right here on the rear passenger when you're down.
Alright, Harold, just kind of follow their trail. Yeah, keep coming straight. Just be real slow when you get up there, Harold, and especially on your departure, you know? Yeah, as soon as you go up on the passenger side here, Harold, so you gotta go slow like Mike was talking about. You're going up right now on the passenger. And there you go. You're a little bit wider than Mike, so you're gonna go up on both sides. Okay, come to the passenger a little bit. Come to the passenger a little bit more. Go. Stop.
Battle scars.
We went that way last time.
We did too.
Sit. Go straight. You want me to go straight?
There's that one piece right there where the, yeah, that rock.
What?
Little too much southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started out a full house, ended up just me and good old James. I could swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moon shined. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again. I was waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could
If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.